Shanté, you don't see me here. Why you all up on that computer? You don't see me right here. Like seriously? What you so busy doing?
Me talk to Alia.
Why you need to talk to Alia? Look out for Alia there. Alia only like 3,000 miles away. Why you need to talk to Alia for? I'm right here right now.
I want you chill.
So Alia still there foreign?
Yeah.
She in a better position than the friend we you know.
You sound like some good mix so.
See you know who me attack?
No, we are
Not the girl Maya.
But she never did Europe.
Europe where? But see Maya around this or down this so. Which Europe?
I don't think that she did the Europe and scholarship.
Girl, we see, Mama tell you, yeah, she get through the scholarship and everything, you know. But me hear say the girl gone Mac store, gone got teeth, makeup, girl. You know say she all about that little makeup thing, like girl. Put foundation in her clothes, cause some not dip it rub back, must say. See around this I hide her face. I don't act like no say because I'm have to come jack that one there for you. But look on it, you can really go Europe and get dip for makeup. Makeup, seriously? Well, I need no makeup skills. No filters needed. Hashtag natural beauty. Hashtag flawless. Flips hair.
Tanya will reach.
Remember I have a key. And if you stop changing like them, come mother complain.
Your mother complain. Stop copying my key.
Anyways, what I'm up to? Actually, a long time I see you.
I'm not local. I stop mixing and mingle with anyone. I'm a queen. I don't come down my pedestal for some of you. Let me fix my crown.
What you say, me no local?
Obviously. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna drink some water. I'll be back.
Let me give her tell me say your friend come down.
Who, Maya?
Yeah.
Oh, she tell me say no. She is Jamaican.
Lie. Let me tell you when me here. But more use the sense para when it come. No say not too much of that. So, she in a one Mac store, right? And she a tea for the people them stuff. So somebody must go here now and depart.
And that she pick? No, sir.
But Tanya, what's this now? Why you ever leave Europe? We're full of a one bag of opportunity and come to Jamaica, that makes sense?
But she tell me say no, she don't like the food them and you know she don't like white people food. You know them way there?
What a girl lie.
What a girl wicked and lie.
This season on Work in Progress.
Oh, by the way, guys, you coming to my dance show?
Oh, the show.
I want you to be me for today because I have a test. I'll do it. I saw you go to school.
What the hell is that?
I don't know. I don't even know where it come from.
I know about the cocaine that you have hidden in the lockers.
Me climb the cocaine to you. Wait, don't answer that. Me hear something about you and where the boy name?
Matthew.
You say your name there.
You one and only.
Oh Lord.
Really, Matthew? So you tell everybody that we're having sex? Or not having sex?
You don't like your vagina.
In the story, he's a bitch. So Shauna that?
All that man. And you start all of this.
Hold on, the me start all of this.
You can't be a friend like you.
Yeah, man. That's why you can't get a man. You love run off your mouth too much.
Them have the nerve to look me in my face and say me start all of this. Screw them.
Maya, choose them catch your teeth and say you get deported down here?
What do you mean? Who tell you that? The streets. Don't do that. Who tell you?
Are you me the
Asha tell
matter?
you.
No.
Don't tell me that.
Alright, Tashi.
have a bone to pick with you. Why you must feel like say my name of always in your mouth? You like that sad?
I want to say idiot girl.
Who you call idiot girl?
No you, Matilda forgot you got tea for the people and stuff.
Stuff what you talk about?
No must the foundation. And you, McGinn and this great
Oh, wait no, wait no. Where is that while ago?
You got you got tea for the people and things.
You like that said for you? Yeah, makeup things?
I
think from business school you start make up imaginary things. Then you stop it.
And then you start going and stick up people. It's not me. You don't have no money. Why you never go there and buy the people?
I bought my stuff.
But what? That make them dip you? You still there down here. Why you go back?
I took a plane here. By my own free will. So I'm going to see what you talk about.
Sure.
You need to stop make up things.
People get scholarship and I come back down here. Sure.
Yeah.
Go back in the people and stick up here for what you take.
You need to shut up. Please answer.
I am not
because
ready
when
to
you
shut
right now,
up.
don't make no sense.
It does make sense.
Not because of that scholarship. Me say, I can't come back when I leave.
You see you? He's a wicked girl. Madumo.